Perfect. Just a few more minutes.
Meow! It smells so good, Mama. Is dinner ready?
Almost, little Whiskers. Warm up by the fire, and I'll have a bowl for you in a blink.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Just 2 minutes, sweetie. Your food will be ready soon.
Go ahead, sweetheart.
Thanks, Mom. Hot, but yummy.
Slow down. You have all the noodles you want.
Come on, little one. Time to rest.
It's so warm in here, Mom.
Warmer with you close by.
Can I sleep right here?
Of course, right where you belong.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my kitten.